Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo iyo korose chirangi meyense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na bwigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekari guri iriya bantabati bwigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganye wochoganire erangi yiga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi nabwigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduka yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego tokase enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500. Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Jumamosi ya chitariki emerongevere na ibere mutinyo gatatu mwaka wechiri bubere merongevere n'etano wairire buya mwanche umurigerere na kwariganire ase kionga e weekend chinsa ibira asenchira yo wikirano kurobo gatagati bo mocho bosongo inchenga trini nyamuga avira karire kura sensemere ya transmission era gochikane kebuna chibichana mariogi ngwekera chire asenchira yo wikirano ikaranso iketukumanye nabo igotogo semi egati yari aberika gwateka aso mugasoringo mutambe abwasa barike baitu bamangana babuguri getambukero na kubeka chikambi chinsemo imensete ya Kenya na gotwarigania egati yari ingochi gokomanya. Ekionga Jumamosi ose weekend chinsa ibira senchira yo bwekera ntogo chaka kurwase kaunti Nyamira abo asaba ibori babori we kubatara abana babo nonya na State University bunenchira ya muyo kubasemya nabo igo bakwanira eryo betange kurwasa amarago yo gutinda nabo igo chisabu chiri chimbe kirabasarire amagimabo gokwana kurwasa umugiga bwa masabo uyokorekana ase skuri yaba mura ya Nyambare igotoke wodi ya Mabugombo ebungi akitutu masabe kaunti ya Nyamira nigo abo bori boigo baboriwe na gosemiwa kobakinia abana babo ime kanisa bune nchire yamo yokobwatia chimbwa cha Nyasaye na boigo koba abantu abayabo gosemeria ase amatuka amambia roboti oru buna rokobwatia no muri kito Fatgad Gisemba.
Nase eskuru ya sekondari ya bamura ya Nyambaria eyo ekurawa ni kanisa yegi Adventista ni gorero batwara umuyiga wa masabo kose akarari umuyiga oyoboigo ochiretamo kisukuru 52 kurwase orogongo ruagusi
yamuno sana nja samari taigongolo kwa James Omoke nigonde umurikibwa Adventist Campus Associates kurwase branch ya Southeast Kenya Field in charge of organizing mangana student rallies as a kanisa ya Adventist. Iyente kenene kya mangana ya iga agodiri na aka no kwegeria abana batu bale chimbo chingi. In addition na masomo ali bako iwase skuru
kukwana ekero kyomuyiga oyoiga nigo batebire ekero amasababu na yaiga agokoreka nigo akubakonya borokiwa erio bakina nechimbwa cy'obunyasaye
Chile chingi ya kioki dan mambi basagwe society n'abantaba bagwa bita chingi ya gakore society tubwata ya gundi
boigo ebamentre na goteba ekero omworokiwa agukinira imeye kanisa nigo agwitanga kurwaso butumeki obube bwa mariogo atancheire amarito agenkyo na boigo inchira engia yogokora omuchando bwebirengererio ebinge ase obongo
ba chira saga university bakubwa babanyoranga abana mbali barwete ki family kire chinkong bosaba barwete ki school tikabwa by'obunyasaye kwamana konyora abana obasare kiretinya soro bakunyu bari wate lesson lecturers bakubasomye bose lectures kwanyora umuntu rabako bodi graduation yo chokaba muntu ndabwa tagia se list yo ku graduate bono bosaliwa igokora ase university because yalia kengara ngiyo mwana yakuvuguriwo assembly chiyo bako mekia aseta iyo chisamo nonyeti kanisa chiro bono mwana ayibu atuge bara nande na saba ibo osetikanye mucyaro anene ikungaruga kora bagusarika chingwa chimbe bagwata kiritira se wider society
omweri oye nigo esegeto yabekirwe gokyase abayibori kubakinia abana babo ase chinchira cy'obunyasaye naboigo kubatarira ase kisukuru ao asokona kubaitona kira engake enchira bagendrete gwikirania amasomo
oboroso oboro yakurunka mwana yairwe kanisa airwe skuru y'obunyasaye kurwa bunaenda constant communication banya go keep in touch no mwana yokare university nande babatarira inere inchira yokera ko nande babakuanira baba siko baba mwana ono wetiro chire university mo ine grona kumanye ya abanda kunyora banyoma ino abanda banyomete kumwana go jogabane enje mu nyaruka mu gachire ka usomumura ebintu bagakora nebibe constant communication no keep in touch babatarira babasiko bagwatwanga ngamba bere machua
Hinko ripoti ya Getembe kurwase skuru eyeiga yabamura ya Nyambaria yegotoka imeye wodi ya Magombo ebunge ya Kitutu Masaba kaunti ya Nyamira nche Fatgad Gisemba
obosemia obuyake gimago cha saba ibori na boigo abana babo na boigo muri kito Fatgad Gisemba mbya muna soko imuke getambukirero kyago na boigo gotwariganiria oroboti oru asinchira ere engia kabisa na tutigarite ase kaunti ya Nyamira na ekero insengima gosensi ya Kenya egendrete kubeka umukya bunenchira ya muyo kwenekya unango simekere emetechi bilioni 15 gwikira umwaka 2030 ritukorera rero kurase kaunti ya Nyamira niko bakora umuyiga bugo simeka emete eriwe ya munechi misano umuyiga korekana ase skuru yoborosi asasati egotoka ward ya ya Bugichora ibunge ya West Mogrango kurende kerenge kenene kyogosimeka emete ase omwaka oyo nigo kere endagira asamana nigo se food and forest abase county Nyamira ebege moke na kwene kebuna ngosimekere emete ekerengo kemerongo kyanda ose merongene igoro ya emia Wosio wokoria goikera ikirenga gya serikali enene yogosimeka emete imeyensi ya Kenya abwase ikirenga ekenene kebekire puna goika umwaka bw'ekirububere na 32 emete chibirioni 15 etukanenga yasimekirwe.
As you are all aware, we are fighting what we call climate change, and our president gave a directive that we are expected as a country, we are expected to plant 15 billion trees by the year 2032. So that is the target we are trying to meet.
Kurwase county ya Nyamira serikali enene area ye county bakubwatirana nekiombe kya Kenya Forest Service amo nababwatani bande buna ekiombe kyo musaraba umubariri naboigo KTDA batwara umuyega bugosimeka emete elbu eyemo chimya isano ase skuru yoboroso ya sasati ekero county ya Nyamira erigetie Waika ebirengo bya emerongo ene igoro yemia.
As Nyamira County, we are doing well in terms of tree growing. Our forest cover is around 35%, and we want to improve on that so that we can reach 40% because we are blessed with rains. Today we have planned to plant around 1,500 trees in the school.
To us it means a lot because we have a target for this year to grow 144,444 in the entire Nyamira County. And of course we have a target of 20 million trees to be grown in 2 years.
Ekerenga ekenene kerituko eri ekere endagira kurwa aseri nani abwase basemiri abantu kubagusimeka emete baenkie eria ebwate endagira puna amatunda.
Trees we concentrate in the food or fruit trees which are the avocados, rockwarts and even pawpaws. Those are trees but they provide fruits which is a source of vitamins for the helping our people. We can plant fodder trees for our animals. We can plant agroforest trees along the farm, which enables our soil to be protected from erosion, which is being caused by different agents, that's water and wind. But when we plant these trees, they can protect our farms from all types of erosion. At the same time, they provide some shade for our crops.
Komogosimeka emete boigo angena se chindoche etange korwase meteria ekonyunyunta amache korwase kinsoko chiamache.
So we plant the indigenous along the riverine and the bamboo. We eliminate the issue of eucalyptus planting along the water sources. We can be able to have our water conserved and in good quality and quantity.
Kubwatikana na yaiga nego ekiombe kyo musaraba umubariri bakwanira ebitambokero biria baikiranirie kubwatikana nemiremo puna eyeiga.
Red Cross at 60, one of the milestones we are talking about is that trees can change the lives that we are living today, bring the element of food security, and also we are also saying that we are celebrating it by reaching out to our communities through charitable activities. And of course, we are also mentioning about blood safety and encouraging blood donation in our respective counties so that then we are able to save a life. And overall, I would want to say thank you so much for joining us today. And please, I will encourage you from wherever you are. If you think of cutting down a tree, then think of growing 4 times what you've cut down. We're saying put down 3, cut down 1.
Eyeiga nenjira eyemo yokwenekya buna ekirenga ekenege serikali anene asobosimeki bwemete imeyense nkwikirana kere Kingo reporter getembe korwase skuru eyeiga yogoroso ya sasati eyegotoka emeye wodi ya Bugichora ebunge ya West Mogrange county ya Nyamira Jefat Gad Gesemba.
Fatiga digesemba mbia mono ase orobotoru oruya kegima na tugutigana nayo kurase ensemeria bochenu ni gomu nyakero gobwe kiombe kirkia bakoreri babochenu abo igo bamanyakaine buna clinicians umoske Peterson washira amochire boteneneri bo murobirosha ase bono akotabuna tibarabeka kusabateneneri abo tibarabeka na koimoke bitambukiro bisaine ero kwene kebuna bakenya bonsi nkonyara bare obokoriro buya nabo igo obwekerengo kiri bobo kebwenerete anene mono chinga kitibako na nyagitari korwariwa.
But the people who have been given the mantle to ensure that they implement UHC through the Social Health Authority, they are making policies that are denying Kenyans the very access that UHC is supposed to guarantee by denying clinical officers to do procedures, to register facilities, refusing to empanel them, even after there is an agreement from the highest offices on the land. And we met the Deputy President last week. And the Deputy President ordered that by the next day, all the clinical officers should be empaneled, should be allowed to do their procedures. As we are standing here, we do not even have 50% of the clinical officers empaneled. And that is why we are saying that the chair and the CEO of the Social Health Authority, they have individually and jointly contravened the rights of Kenyans. The right under Article 43 to access the health services. The right under Article 27 about discrimination, because by discriminating clinical officers, they discriminate that citizen from Meru, from Maua, who is getting that service from that clinical officer. They have also fallen short of Article 47, which talks about fair administrative procedures by going against the law. And as sum of all that, it means they do not meet the Chapter 6 requirement about ethics and responsibility of leadership. And that is why we are saying we must be able to replace them, and we must get people of goodwill, people with capacity, who can be able to move the agenda of UHC forward, and without discrimination to anyone, not to clinical officers, not to nurses, and not to any healthcare worker, because discrimination to any of the cadres that provide health care then means that Kenyans are going to suffer. The services that they offer, they are not going to get. It limits their access, and it also delays our vision to achieve the universal health coverage.
The national government needs to support the county's government. We have a new governor here in Meru County, whom we are hopeful that he is going to correct and ensure that he addresses all the issues that have been bedeviling the Department of Health here in Meru County. One of them, it is shortage of health workers, which includes the shortage of clinic officers. It is our expectation that they shall be employed. But it is unfortunate the national government has failed to remit the monies to the counties since the month of December. Kwa hivyo tukio hapa tunasema ya kwamba serikali kuu ambayo imeongozwa na William Ruto na kijana wetu Profesa Kithure Kindiki, tafadhali wacha tuweze kuachilia pesa ambazo zinastahili kuja pale kwa county, ndiposa hawa madaktari ambao tuko nao hapa wakiachiliwa waweze kupata ajira ambayo kila mwananchi anapoenda shuleni anatarajia kupata ajira.
Na togoska bosio kiombe kia bagavana ba Kenya ikibo kimanyikanite na Council of Governors gose COG kiagosereire gochigutenene mirobiri yonsi imeye county cyabo eyemagega ya serikali go kiane chibesa chirchiko genda ase county asebono bayere serikali insi ya matuko 18 gosa matuko 18 oka eri go ikirania amageni aboka batara ikeria egetambukiro kyo barachikoimokia.
We're therefore very baffled that every year we have to come and seem like we're fighting, swimming against the tide to get devolution supported by the national government. We are very concerned at this continuous clawing back of not just the devolved functions, but now even going further to resources that have been in the plan and have been developed over years. Because development partners, before they decide to fund a project, it takes about 3 years.
So jambo ambalo limeudhi magavana ni kwamba kuna fedha ambazo zimeondolewa kwenye bajeti. Tayari kuna wanakandarasi ambao wamepewa hizi kazi, wanaendelea kufanya kazi, wanatarajiwa kulipwa, na hizi fedha zimeondolewa kwenye bajeti. Sisi tunahisi kwamba kuna deliberate effort kuhakikisha kwamba akaunti zinafilisika, zinakufa, kwa kuondoa ile heshima, ile credibility katika counties.
We wish to applaud and appreciate the Senate for continuously defending devolution as provided in the Constitution. We implore the Senate to stand firm with the people of Kenya and the Council of Governors in resisting these unconstitutional budgetary reductions and safeguarding the gains of devolution. In this regard, the Council of Governors demands the immediate restoration of all the diverted funds to county governments to ensure uninterrupted service delivery, failure to which county governments will shut down its services in the next 14 days.
Naho mugavana we county ya Narok Omoske Patrick Orentutu ni garure koboria gocha ase ebyama gochara ba MC abachore gose nominated MCs korwa ase chikaunti chiri chibakorwa batari korigereria byama binde byonse asibona atebire anya ba MC aba gochigochorwa korwa chikaunti chingo ni gabagavana barachikwe mukigetambukiro na kogenda ase kigambiro eri kwamireria ogochorwa kwa ba MC abo
ni kuomba vyama vyetu vya siasa hasa wakienda kufanya nomination, hatujali ni kabila gani unataka kupea nomination, bora tu huyo mtu ametoka Narok ama ametoka Nakuru ama ametoka Kisumu, mpee mtu ambaye ametoka katika kaunti hiyo. Na nafikiri tumeamua kama governors, ikiwa mtu amechaguliwa na amewekwa Kenya Gazette na atoki kaunti yako, hakuna kuapishwa. Tutaenda kotini immediately na tuambie speaker asihapishe mpaka hiyo chama iende ichague mtu ambaye anatoka hiyo kaunti. Tunatoa wito kwa wabunge waende wabadilishe hiyo sheria ya kwamba lazima kama nominated MCAs lazima wapewe hiyo kaunti ambayo imetoka.
Wamama wenzangu, ninawahakikishia kwamba tukishikana tutafanya kazi. Nimewaonyesha ya kwamba tukinyang'anywa tunaweza. Usijiangalie uko kadogo, uko kafupi, uko kakonde. Kuna Mungu. Wewe tia bidii naye Mungu ataonekana. Usijione wewe ni mama. Saa hii tuko na gavana wangapi wa mama? Ingawaje walimwaga mmoja juzi, lakini ukifanya tabia mbaya utabwagwa.
Tunatuma ujumbe kwa wale ambao wanataka kufanyia jamii ya Wamasai wenye wamefanyia huyu kwamba hiyo mchezo mnafanyanga hatutakubali tena. Mimi nimeenda mpaka Supreme Court kwa hii kiti, kuanzia Magistrate Court, tukaenda High Court, Court of Appeal, wakaenda Supreme, yote nikashinda. Ushindi ya huyu leo ni shindi kwa jamii ya Wamasai na hasa kwa wamama,
kwa sababu sisi kama viongozi wa kitaifa huwa tunaangalia mbele. Tunataka 2027 tupate viti zaidi, na ninataka kusema kitu ambaye ni controversial kidogo. Najua watu wengi hapa mmesema kama amefanya kazi nzuri, pia mmesifu Jubilee. Si Muigai Uhuru Kenyatta wakati alikuwa president alileta maendeleo mengi sana Narok. Hiyo tunataka maendeleo yaendelee tukiwa na gavana wa Jubilee. Kwa hivyo gavana Dutu tutamfalisha kofia nyekundu 2027.
Senei akaweza kurudi mahakama, na wakati mahakama iliamuru yeye kuapishwa, nikapata simu ya mheshimiwa gavana akaniambia kesho kabla jioni nataka mheshimiwa Seneyo aapishwe kwa sababu kuna order imetoka kotini. Hiyo amri mara moja tukaifuata.
Mwanjo murigereria roboti rwa Patrick Orentutu gosomoske Patrick Orentutu na rugo chigotoira ase motumoko moke korende ngoira na tore ase kagetari getambe togendre n'intunde ya kabira ase kionga chinsa ibira sinchira yowe kana nuri tukerigara Jumamosi.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo ngurigarua South Nyanza ya nchiri amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko ya bwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura achabwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokiriso yao chingaki ogoswasa yiga kurigiriria amabati yiga ntobwate team Tembo abo bagokolemiremo ase showroom yiga babwate chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo cho tebererie kende gensi uraganie bagotebererie company ya mabati Rolling Mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwate chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwate normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibigo babwate Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emerongetato asama mabati alia ye chigage emerongibire na isaro na isato babwate tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile grows na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na green ubutambe gwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukuganya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kabo gutumika chinga gicho gwakiranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari rero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kabo gukwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo urakoberwa ikasure asubwango eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyumucho yigo busongo eyuerangene duka ya Safaricom boigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwetera sete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Mwancho murigeriri nande karibu sana sentunda ya kabiri yekionga weekend chinsabira senchira yoboikirano motenenerio monene bobokoreri we serikali gose head of public service Omoskes Felix Kosigeni garurige kunde egekuro egetindi ko chia saba ibe chombe abamanyakaine buna bandits anene mono ase county chiria cha North Rift ayani gagocha mageganja ababebu abo go saba ibi abo goita omugambyo yomo imeye county ya Baringo asebono egati ya Barai kure county eyo besokire na kumwa Omoskes Felix Kosigei okoboko na asabatabiri nigo bono barachikoimukeria ebitambukire binene kero bachere konyora ababebu abo
We are not going to leave Tiaty behind because of insecurity. We are going to deal with these criminals. We are going to deal with anybody who is causing insecurity in this region. We don't want North Rift to continue being branded that is an insecurity area, that it is a disturbed area. Hatuwezi kubali. President ametoa amri, alisema kama mnataka hapa ifanywe hiyo army barracks atatuma askari wote. Alisema Jamalingo. Kwa sababu ya nini? Kwa sababu tunataka Tiaty iendelee kama sehemu zingine za Kenya hii.
Saa zingine unapata mtu sijui bangi imejaa kijwa anaua ng'ombe. Saa zingine mnaona mtu anafanya mambo ya ajabu. So ile tungeomba tu ni hayo ni individual actions. Na mtu akifanya maneno yake kama individual adiliwe naye kama ni individual. Mambo ya kusema community ama askari yote ni mbaya ama nani yote ni mbaya, hapana.
Tuko na irrigation scheme moja ambayo tunagawana na majirani zetu ya Tot Koloa. Hii project iko na potential ya kuirrigate eka 2,000. Can you ask them to help us in reviving this irrigation scheme?
Na togo chigokora nigo morike botambe ase wizara y'oburendi bwaime omoske Dr. Raymond Omoro atabira serikali gwetera wizara y'oburendi bwaime nigora chikoigora chobisi chobogambi chobokorerwe serikali ase county chonsi imeyense ya Kenya. Omoske Omoro nigaya kwana yega imeye county ya Migori abwasarenge nabarai korwa ase county eyo.
Hapo awali tulikuwa na challenge ya create new administrative units. And we gazetted a number of administrative units, not just in Migori County, but across the country. What is left is to be able to operationalize those administrative units. And if you are keen, early this week, I was in Parliament engaging the leadership of Parliament on the need for us to get enough resources to allow us to operationalize these administrative units. And we have the commitment from Parliament, and I want to plead with the members of Parliament present here, as well as the Senator, to support that process so that we have adequate resources that would allow us to operationalize all these administrative units so that we make it easy for Kenyans to access government services and also for ease of administration.
Ndugu yangu Raymond Omolo kwa hapa, tujaribu ili tupate sub counties. Hiyo mimi na support kabisa. Kwa sababu mnajua kwamba hizi sub counties ndio pali serikali inaweka pesa. Hata sub county ilikuwa na iende kuwa na MP itakuwa mzuri sana. Tulikuwa na Intimaru, tukue na Mabera, iongezee kwa hii Kuria East na Kuria West, hiyo itakuwa sawa. Unajua kwamba yule ambaye anaweza kusaidia sana kwa sababu yeye ndio katika ile administration, ndio tumekaa na yeye hapa, katibu wa kudumu ndugu yangu Raymond Omolo.
Mwancho umurigereria na rayo korase kionga chinsa ibere weekend asinchira yobwikira nunche Catherine kwambuka Nyaboga Havira Kariri na roendeta kona kibona chibiche chiga na mario ingo ikarachire asinchira yobwikira no na magaye chikamera etwarengenere Wilfred Matundra korende toko gotiga asomorobere bo moburera tumerane chinsa inya ase kionga e weekend asinchira yobwikira no.
Kai aya hata kusisiazi nechitoro ntorachi njoke chitoite ochakiriri muriuka ebintu byo nturolia kai ebintu byo tibya chinjiri muriuka tata bya bokoro kuchimoina ayo moskeruto ebintu kusi bya mokire ngai mwachakiriti
nikakuta mtu ni mtu empty, hana mpango, kazi yake tu ni TV, mtialala, ria, uganga, nini.
And those who refer to me as mtu wa vitendawili, ati mtu wa mganga, and all those sort of things. Waganga ni watu ambao wanatibu watu.
Na Bono umuganga bono igano umwebi serikali ime buna moko teba ke
Raila alikuwa anaita Ruto nani? Alikuwa anamuita mwizi, ndio? Na Ruto alikuwa anaita na Raila nani? Ati mganga kitendawili, ndio? Sasa ati mwizi na mganga lakini uongozi wa pale juu utakuwa mzuri.
Unupofa ninki aipofa bono nki kwa chitoko le serikali ma umwishimiwa umusikira iroko ranga ujiri kunywa maji utumwino weiga tako chikongiraniria no chiki konte winga nchikinta maiti.
Wewe sasa hesabu baba ako na CS wangapi kwa hiyo serikali? Ako na BS wangapi?
Timaiti.
Ako na parastato gapi kwa hiyo serikali?
Timaiti.
Ingia bunge, ni kamati gapi zinaongozwa na wana ODM kwa hiyo bunge?
Intevi.
Budget ndio hiyo ilienda juzi na zile zingine.
Ikati abungaki
Kusema hatutaki ujinga.
Muswati na kurumuino weiga tatu kare gochi birundo ai madamu mwete nchomu MC anje ngona ne chimaiki achu gochi birundo yego yasiki bana kiane
Nitoboe. Tunajua ni kwa nini walikuwa wanataka kutoa Rigathi Gachagua. Ni kwa sababu Rigathi Gachagua ameamua kuongea ukweli on behalf of the oppressed communities of Kenya.
Kusema hatutaki ujinga.
Na Kiruto na maene
hatuwezi kukubali ulete fujo Kenya.
Ya uongozi hatutaki tena. Wazee waende nyumbani wakae na wajukuu ama namna gani?
Umusikirigati after all the fight. Aino nchinga umusikiraira kabisa mwira nile kabisa mubwata negente kujumuina.
Itakuwa ni vile Raila ataamua. Kama ataamua asimame na upande wa Kenya, atakuja tuketi tuulizane atachezea wapi. Ni wapi anaweza shika namba katika timu hii. Tuone mzee wetu ako na credentials yake, tunaweza fanya kazi na yeye.
Ski umusikiraira nonje ko swasi ke buteke mo amuno musikirigati bono kiro mo itobono serikali yenene kabisa nucha si bintu biroji.
Wewe ulikuwa unasema sisi ni nyang'ao. Leo wewe unasema sisi sasa leo tumekuwa malaika. Tumebadilika, tumekuwa kutoka nyang'ao tulikuwa malaika namna gani?
The mechanisms available.
Kwa hivyo sisi wenyewe hatuwezi kudanganywa. Tunajua pale tunataka kwenda. Naambia watu wetu wasimame imara.
The mechanisms available.
Umusikirigati onchukuru kumuna tabanga nikati tabwata ni kabisa no musiki Raila kabisa.
I mean, surely, if you cannot even raise a candidate for the Speaker of Senate, what numbers do you really have?
Chama ambaye nimeunda, Gen Z watakuwa part of it. The Gen Zs and millennials.
Bumbarabi. Parabuvali waitigari asi kaunti ya Kisii. Stadium mali bakararungu cy'umusikiraira kusina naburanye n'abangao.
In fact, we have two deputy party leaders. One deputy party leader will come from the Gen Z generation.
Tukatura sikuchumuina umusiko nyonga nkikebe.
Rais, Mheshimiwa Rais, sasa wewe jipange. Ujipange na sisi tutakupanga. Usema no.
Lakini hatutaki unafiki ya mtu ambaye nisema hapo mimi tumeweka mtego.
Mwana kumira nande murantuare nkwana murakwanira na lindi
Nikuta kwa mazishi hapo juzi hapo Nyandarua, akaniambia wewe kwa nini hutaki mazungumzo? Kwani unaogopa mazungumzo? Ulikuwa kwa Moi ukaharibu, ukakuwa kwa Kibaki ukaharibu, umechukua mtoto wetu Uhuru Kenyatta umekoroga yeye, umemchanganya, amepotea. Sasa tunaona ukikaribia William Ruto atapotea. Hiyo ndio shida yetu na wewe. Nilimwambia kama ameketi hapo.
Umusikirigati abunekera kwa ringi ase serikali. Bone yotu ase serikali ke. Umusikiriro mwite mwali kuwana buya amuno umusikiruto. Ngajandishikie ya chakirite.
Alinipiga mimi simu. Uhuru akaniambia mimi tafuta Bwana Ruto ongea na yeye. Kenya ikichomeka hatakuwa na nchi nyingine. Hii tuzime hii moto, watu waketi chini waendelee waliwane. William ndiye akanitafuta. Na mimi nikaongea na yeye wazi kabisa. Mimi unajua mambo yangu, mimi sificheki mambo. Nasema direct.
Igiye bagutukolitie ayuna yino ke ukera na wokera muswalinga pa omoro bubule na nchirukas mwakana chire.
Superstores nero eduka asorgo gurigarua South Nyanza yanchere amone company ya mabati Rolling Mills yuko yabwatuka uchiase abaonia aiga ntobwate showroom asura chagwirigirie amabati anda usialia utagete showroom yeto nigo enkale eyuerengia na boigo ekogokie liso lyao chingaki ogoswasa liga kurigiria amabati aiga ntobwate team ya Tembo abo bagokora emirimo ase showroom yega babwata chingoro chingia chugo kwarigania na boigo chogotebereria kende gionsi uraganie bagotebereria company ya mabati rolling mills niko babwate amabati chingenjo ao ayuare ye chikala ao na boigo ayuiga bwata chi profile net gauges ao bunabono babwata normal corrugated na boigo box corrugated asibego babwata Dumarang ayuare aye chigage emeronge tato asa mabati alia aye chigage emeronge bire na isaro na isato babwata tile profiles alia au oriental elegantal versatile gross na boigo na versatile mat MRM niko babwate lifestyle ayuago chana Roman Jinko na boigo web design babwate ligani kabwate chikala bunabone lia Chaco Grey, Brick Red, Tile Red, Maroon, Sky Blue na boigo na Green obutambe bwe mabwate liga niko bokolengana amo nukanya gwe customer mbabwate bintu bindi boigo ebyo ochikunyara kwa bogo tumika chinga gicho gwakeranya mabwate liga ase nyumba yao tutari lero ase Uhuru MRM showroom onyare kwa bogo kwerera amabwate yu akomenya segeka ayo uchane warrant na boigo ayo orakoberwa ikasure asubwango edukenya ya Uhuru Superstores yegotoka se nyumba ya Uhuru Complex imiyo chigo busongo iyo erangene duka Safaricom boigo ngotoka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers iyo ere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simgwe trasete namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani. Omogusi, are you ready for this?